A friend of mine has a waist of around 36 inches, and I know this because he regularly consults me about his health and fitness goals. So one evening, we were at a house party and I noticed his belly looked noticeably bigger than usual. I didn't want to embarrass him in front of the guests, so I pulled him aside and asked, "Dude, what's going on with your belly fat? You look closer to 40 inches, and that's not normal." He replied, "Akash, within just 30 minutes of eating dinner, my waist literally balloons by a few inches." I could hear the discomfort in his voice, so I said, "Call me tomorrow, late noon, we need to talk." And the truth is that bloating affects millions of people every single day. And it's not just physically uncomfortable, it can drain your energy, lower your confidence, and throw off your mood. So in this video, we are breaking it all down, what bloating actually is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix it naturally, the holistic way. So let's dive in. What is bloating? Bloating is that tight, full, sometimes gassy feeling in your belly. Now, this is not fat and it's not real weight gain. It's usually trapped gas or water retention. Now, think of it as your gut's way of saying, hey, something is not quite right down there. It's trying to get your attention. And there are several possible reasons, but let's cover the most important and common ones. So number one is eating too fast. You see, when you eat quickly, you end up swallowing air along with your food, and that air can get trapped in your digestive tract, and that creates bloating. So number two is poor food combining. Some foods digest faster than another. When you stack the wrong ones together, they can ferment in the gut. That creates gas. This is a big topic on its own, so make sure to subscribe. I'll cover it in a separate video soon enough. Number three is poor gut health. If your gut bacteria are out of balance, what we call gut dysbiosis, you might feel bloated after almost anything. Please check out our gut health playlist for more and try out our free gut health quiz. My personal score is a 1, sometimes a 2 on bad days. Higher your number, weaker your gut. Number 4, food intolerance. Dairy, gluten, soya, and even some so-called healthy foods can trigger bloating. Many people have sensitivities and don't realize it until they eliminate the food and feel better. And number 5 is stress. Yes, stress, it slows digestion, it can cause inflammation and even tightens your abdominal muscles. All of that leads to, you guessed it right, bloating. Now, before I get into the remedies, there's something I need to say. Unlike conventional medicine, which often skips over the root causes, as a certified holistic nutritionist, my job is to help you go deeper, to ask why something is happening. And to do that, we need a mindset shift. Instead of reaching for pills at the first sign of discomfort, let's pause. Let's listen to the body. And one tip that I give to every client of mine is that your body tells you exactly what it likes and what it doesn't. You just have to learn to read the signs. For example, after about 30 minutes of eating, your body will let you know how that meal made it feel. Did you feel fine or heavy, gassy, maybe sluggish? If you deal with bloating or digestive issues, start keeping a nutritional journal. Rate each meal from 1 to 5. 1 means no discomfort, 5 means bloating or gas. Once you see a pattern, ask yourself, did I eat fruit right after my meal, for example? Or was I feeling stressed or anxious while eating? Was I distracted watching intense media or probably talking too much? Or did I drink something ice cold or too much liquid with my food? You'll often find your personal trigger this way. In most cases, the root cause comes down to one or a combination of the 5 reasons I have just shared. So that's it for today. If you suffer from bloating after every meal, I urge you not to take it lightly. Follow the tips and suggestions in this video for a period of few weeks. If things don't improve, connect with me. Let me help you figure out the root cause and find a long-term solution for you. I'm Akash. Thank you so much for your time.